Kung meron mang isang baluktot na pananaw ng tao ngayong panahong ito po yon. Mas marami, mas maganda. Para sa mga tao ngayon, mas marami, mas maganda. Mas maraming pera, mas magandang buhay. Mas maraming ari-arian, mas maganda at mas masayang buhay. Kaya ngang mga tao ngayon, we all want to have everything in this world. Because to have more is good. It's a good life. It's a happy life. And if you have less, it's a miserable life. It is a tragic life. At alam niyo po, ang pananaw na yan, to have more is better, isang word lang. And that is greed, sakim, gahaman. Pero alam nyo, greed is conditioned by our society. Especially at this age. Alam nyo, yung mundo natin, everywhere you go, we are always tempted to have everything, to have more in life. Tignan nyo, manood kayo ng telebisyon. Ang daming advertisement. Napakaraming sabon sa katawan. Hindi mo naman pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin ng lahat ng sabon. Iisa lang po ang pwede sa tuwing naliligo ka. Pero sa advertisement, hindi mo mabilang kung ilan ang sabon. You go to the grocery, there are so many kinds of bath soap, laundry soap, ang dami. But you only need one at a time. Kinukondisyon kasi ng mundo, the secularistic and materialistic world in which we are in, take more, get more, buy more, because it will make you a better person. It will give you a happy life, a good life. Pero ang sabi ni Jesus dito sa ating ebanghelyo, guard yourselves against all forms of greed. Bakit? To have more doesn't guarantee a happy life. To have more doesn't guarantee a meaningful life. Ibig sabihin, hindi porket you have everything in this world, nasa iyong lahat, masaya ka, magandang buhay mo, not necessarily. Yan ang sinasuggest ni Jesus sa atin. For us to have a meaningful life, a happy life, it is not in getting, it is not in keeping almost everything for ourselves, but it is actually giving, sharing. Ibig sabihin, ang movement sana ng buhay natin, hindi lahat papasok sa sarili, kundi palabas, palabas, palabas. Ibig sabihin, kung mas maraming lumalabas sa iyo at naibibigay at naibabahagi mo, mas maganda kaysa mas maraming pumapasok at nakukuha mo para sa sarili mo. So this is the lesson of today for all of us. If you want to have a meaningful life, if you want to live a happy life, it's not what you have, it's not what you keep, but it will be determined by what you give and with what you share. Ibig sabihin, gusto mong magkaroon ng magandang buhay? masayang buhay, makahulugang buhay, magbigay ka ng magbigay.